Aside from sharing a public roadmap, widgets are a great way to connect feedback and client data to increase your product impact. With ProdCamp, you have access to 3 key widgets. The in-app feedback widgets you could integrate into your own software, like we did with ours here. The Net Promoter Score widget, with a score, and more importantly, a feedback field, so users don't need to wait for your next survey. The Changelog widget you can find here, helping increase adoption by displaying your latest product update right within your web app. To install widgets, head to the product setting under widgets and copy the SDK installation script provided. To make it super easy, you can just follow the step-by-step provided in our help section article. Parts of the feedback widgets can be customized. And you can also remove ProdCamp branding if you're using a paid subscription. We also highly recommend enabling single sign-on to secure access to your widget and prevent irrelevant feedback or spam. If you need more help, you can check our other dedicated resources or reach out via our support chat.